Let me give you another example. These bellows right here have handmade nails on them. Each anvil has around 300 nails. There's 3 bellows being used. That's 3, 6, that's 900 nails that have to be made just for our bellows to be working. So you can imagine what you have to do for this.
And I do want to point out that this place is really organized. This place is this place. People would have been spending all this far one another and looking at that on a daily basis. It would be very dangerous.
Yeah.
You know, it looks like a museum, which is what it is.
Yeah.
But
We're calmed down from what we normally would do.
a lot of workers and the places get issued.
Come on through, come on through. So the steel that we use today is mild steel. It's formed a process called the Westwork converter process. What we used back in the day was called wrought iron. Yes?
Did you used to fix the soldiers' swords?
We did do some repair work for artillery. Most of that was done by a specialized smith that specialized in that kind of stuff, either a gunsmith. We did make certain parts for artillery. Yes?
How do you make those things that,
These things right here, we starts off with a piece of square stock. And when he does it, he flattens the end out like that. So he flattens it out. And then he bends it over like this. So that it fits. Quality soft like that. Yeah. It's going to take it out real red right now. Think of us as almost like potters, but instead of using metal, when we heat it up to that hot temperature, that's 1800 degrees Fahrenheit. It actually takes a different color, that's the orange color, and that's why it's so dark in those colors. Think of us as potters, instead of using our hands, because that obviously is hot, we use an anvil. Well, if there's no other questions, I'm going to return back to my piece. Feel free, if you have any questions, to shout them out. We'll be glad to answer them. And thank you so very much for visiting the blacksmith shop. There's a little blacksmith on that side. Also, there's a schoolhouse upstairs, so don't forget to check them out. And we hope to see you once again here at the Moravian Blacksmith Shop. Yes, dear.
what are
This piece right here.